Hello friends, Tanya here for Spellbinders, and today is day 7 of the Spellbinders 2022 Advent Calendar unboxing. Here we have our beautiful Advent calendar, and if you've been following along, you know that each of these little boxes holds a really fun little crafty treat. Today it looks like we have a set of stencils. These are quite well attached to the inside of our Advent calendar, so make sure you give it a good pull. And here is this 3-piece pack of stencils. Looks like a scattering of different sizes of dots. And I'm going to do some inking and show you what they look like. These could be used in a lot of ways, and it looks like there is a high concentration of the dots in one corner leading to the next. Here we've got the 3 colors I chose to use: tumbled glass, broken china, and evergreen bough in the distress ink cubes. I am going to use some blender brushes, and Spellbinders has those in their shop also, and a little bit of the Best Ever Craft tape to secure this to a piece of white cardstock. Just going to blend this over the stencil, and you can see those little dots appearing. You can vary the intensity of how you stencil them, or the colors or the media that you use to stencil through. We're going to line up the second stencil, and you don't have to be super precise how you place these, and if they overlapped, that would be okay also. I bet you could rotate these with different colors to create a really cool pattern. Here we've got the broken china, and as you can see, they seem to be more concentrated in this orientation, the lower left corner of the stencil. This stencil only has a few dots on it, and they are the largest dots in the group. And that one is the one I did evergreen bough. I didn't really have a solid plan with these, but I thought, oh my gosh, our cute little gnome would look adorable here. And here are the happy birthday dies from earlier this week. That would make a really cute card. That's it. That's all I got for this week. This day. Check that description box below for any links that might be similar. And until next time, bye-bye.